Hi everybody, it is Laura. Welcome back to my channel. So I've got a couple of unboxings to do and tonight, so I was gonna go ahead and get these going. So what I've got here is the October Lip Monthly package. So I'm really excited about this. I just got the September one not too long ago. I signed up mid-September and it took a little bit to get here. So I was a little concerned that I was going to see the same thing for October and I wasn't going to get it until the end of the month. But I guess it is the end of the month because I have completely lost track of time in October. It is October 22nd. Never mind. It is the end of the month. All right. So October Lip Monthly box. So it comes in this really cute, like, 80s vibe, lipstick squiggles, teal and purple, lipstick pouch. I'm down with that. That's pretty cute. I like that. Yeah, nice. So yeah, that's really cute. It looks like it almost has like little, like ladders on there, like little ladders leading up to it. Like it's like some Donkey Kong, but instead of him like having to like climb up and get some barrels, instead he's like going up to get some lipstick. That's cool. All right, so let's take a look and see what is in here. For those of you who aren't familiar, Lip Monthly is it's either $12 or $15 a month, and you are to get 4 to 5 full-size lip products in there every single month. This is my second month getting it. I'll be honest, I love lipstick, I love lip gloss, I love me some lip balm, I love a lips. So I was totally down for this. I have heard some concerns about other people who haven't been too thrilled with their Lip Monthly packages, but so far so good. All right, so the first thing that comes in here is this cute little card, and it's got leaves on it. And it says, welcome to the October 2019 bag. The air is getting colder and the autumn leaves are starting to fall. With the seasons changing, we've decided to change them up a bit as well. This month, we've included 3 lip products and 1 non-lip product, which we call the monthly mix-up. We hope you love it. Show us. That is not a W. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram at Lip Monthly. Enjoy your goodies. Love Lip Monthly. I wonder what the number 4 is, because I came for some lip products. All right, so the first thing we've got in here is this little tube, and it is Bel Pierre Shimmer Roll. Bel Pierre Shimmer Roll. It is in the color Toast. And let's be honest, who doesn't love some toast? It looks like a body glitter. Doesn't this look like those like Bath and Body Works glitters that you would get like in high school, and then you would like wear them and like spread them all over yourself, like on your chest to like a fraternity party? No, it was just me. Okay, cool. So let's give this a roll. Oh, girl, can you see that? Look at that. Oh, that is some shimmer. Oh, yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It does kind of look like a roll-on deodorant. But I am here for this shimmer. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe put it over top of a lipstick, or maybe this is the special product. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. This could be a lip thing. It could not be a lip thing. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Let's keep going. Apologies. I am getting over a cold. All right, so the next thing we have is Luna by Luna. It is a box, and the color is Cosmo. And this is a lip oil. All right, I'm down for some lip oil. What is this? Oh, God, I don't want to read the ingredients. Okay, Cosmo. Oh, cool. Well, that's cool. It is a lip oil. Huh. Let's see what we got here. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a lip oil. It's nice and oily, I guess. I like the bubbles in it. Does this become like one of those ASMR videos now if I just sit here and... No, probably not. Somebody's probably going to rewind that, though. All right, let's give this a shot. All right, got here. Oh, yeah. Ooh. It doesn't taste like anything, but I like it. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know what makes it Cosmo, unless it's just the little stars. It doesn't taste like Cosmos, but no, it doesn't. It doesn't. Not alcoholic enough to taste like a real Cosmo. But that is nice. I like a lip oil. I am obsessed with keeping my lips moisturized, like super moisturized, to the point that I have a multitude of lip balms, chapstick, all over the house. I have them on my bedside table. I have them in my car. I have them in my purse. I have them at work. I have them downstairs. I have them everywhere. Literally, wherever you see me, I guarantee you there is a chapstick within 5 feet of me at any time. So I like this. This is a great alternative. And it tastes good, too. I don't feel so bad about eating it off. All right, so the next thing we have up here, this is Model Co, and it looks like a brown thing. It is in the color Tango Pink. Model & Co. And the plastic is not that hard to get off, which is great. Let's see what color this is. Ooh. Ooh, that's a nice matte something. Oh yeah. Let's swatch it off. It's a little brighter. It swatches a little brighter than the tube is, but I'm not sad about it. Hold on. I know I got lip oil on. And I know the lip oil dilutes it, but that's pretty color. I'm not mad about that either. All right, and then the last thing we have in here is Cougar 12-hour liquid lipstick. Let me tell you, there are very few things in this world I love more than a long-wearing liquid lipstick. And this one is in the color Cougar. Oh, no, wait, is it the brand? Is the brand Cougar? No, this is the color. Oh, I can already tell by the color that it's good. So I guess this body glitter is the body surprise. I'm smart. Smart. All right, let's open up Cougar. Open up some Cougar. Cougar lip gloss. Oh, yeah. Look, like I said, 24-hour liquid lipstick. I will put you to the test, Cougar. So this is a really nice neutrally color that speaks to my soul. The applicator isn't like the best. Oh, it smells good though. It smells good. Let's swatch that bad boy. Oh, would you look at that? Can you see that? Oh, it's really sad how excited I get by a nude lipstick. Really? So you want to know what happens when you hit middle age? You get really excited by a long wear nude lipstick. That's what you get. That and bags under your eyes and gray hair and abnormally excited for a long wear nude lipstick. But this is gorgeous. I am actually really excited about that. Give me a pack of brand new dish towels and a kitchen sponge and I'm good to go. All right, so that was it. In our Lip Monthly box this month, we ended up with this little bullet lipstick in toast. No, this is Tango Pink, which is super cute. This 1990s body glitter, which I'll find something to do with it. This really nice lip oil and a long-lasting Cougar. Again, for $15, I am pretty down with all 4 of these products. So kudos to you, Lip Monthly. This is some good shit. I'm a fan. Don't forget, Lip Monthly, November is my birthday month. So bring all the nude long wear lipsticks you possibly can. All right, that is going to wrap it up for me tonight. If you like what you see here and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that like button, because you can be one of the magnificent 12, perhaps 15 followers on here. So I know it sounds like a pipe dream, but I will do a giveaway when I get to 50 whole subscribers. The big 50. It's backwards, isn't it? Right. All right. So that's all for me tonight. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up down below. Let me know which one of these lip products you like the best. Otherwise, I will see y'all later. Have a great night. Bye.